Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Google's Nano Banana, this Gemini 2.5 Flash image is revolutionizing e-commerce product photography by offering a fast, cost-effective alternative to traditional photo shoots. With its ability to understand context and maintain product identity, you can generate stunning, professional-looking images in minutes. This tutorial will show you how to use Nano Banana to create high-quality product photos that can drive sales and elevate your brand. First, why Nano Banana for product images? In here, it's because of cost effective. It drastically cuts the cost of professional photography, studio rentals, and model fees. Also, we have speed. You can go from a single product photo to dozens of variations in minutes. This is perfect for A or B testing and social media campaigns. Also, we have consistency right here. It maintains the product's shape, logo, and branding across all generated images, ensuring a cohesive look. Also, we have versatility. You can place your product in any setting imaginable, from a sleek studio to a bustling city street, without ever leaving your home. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial for this. The process is simple. You provide the AI with a base image of your product and a detailed text prompt. Step 1 right here is to prepare your product image. Start with a high quality clear image of your product, preferably on a neutral or white background. The better your input, the better the output. Step 2 is to use a prompt to generate a scene. Use a descriptive prompt to place your product in a new setting. Be specific about the environment, lighting, and mood. Example 1 here is the lifestyle shot. Your input for this is this: a photo of a skincare product bottle on a white background. The prompt to this is this: place the product on a white marble countertop in a luxurious spa-like bathroom. A soft warm light is streaming in from a window on the right. There are a few green plants and a folded white towel in the background. It should be photorealistic, minimalist, and clean style. Step 3 is refine and iterate. If the first result isn't perfect, you can use multi-turn prompts to make specific edits. This is where Nano Banana's conversational nature shines. Example 2 to this is adding a human element. Your input, the image you just generated of the product on the marble counter. The prompt is this: add a woman's hand gently reaching for the bottle with a clean and elegant manicure. The hand should be in soft focus. Step 4 is create variations for marketing. Once you have your core image, you can generate variations for different marketing channels or target audiences. Example is this: social media ad for a different audience. Your input, the original product image. The prompt to this is this: place the product in an outdoor adventure setting. The product is on a mossy rock next to a small, clear stream in a lush forest. The lighting is natural and a bit dramatic, as if taken on an overcast day. The mood is adventurous and grounded. Now, let's get to advanced use cases. First in here is virtual try-on. Upload a photo of a model and an image of a product like clothing or jewelry and prompt the AI to dress the model in the new item. Also, we have bulk image creation. For e-commerce stores with a large inventory, you can create a template prompt and apply it to an entire product catalog to generate consistent looking images across the board. Also, we have A/B testing. Generate multiple versions of an ad with slight variations in background, color, or subject matter. This allows marketers to quickly test what resonates with their audience and optimize their campaigns. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.